header or the manifold doesn't clear the footwell. You can see it nicked right there, so it's dumping out right here. I don't know why those are built that way instead of it being like that. That works perfect. And I really like these manifolds. I was hoping to use them, keep the heat out of the engine bay, but I got some long tube headers. Maybe those will work. So I guess we'll see. Save these for another something. I don't know. Well, these headers don't work, and those headers don't work. So I guess we're going to stick with the center dump headers that I absolutely hate for this Defender, because there's just no good way to route them. So I guess we'll have to route them the bad way. We'll have to do.